Today I'll be walking through how you can use the inventory tracker to keep up with your inventory products. Once you have an item added to your inventory, you'll be able to see the total quantity in the inventory tracker here. The inventory tracker will subtract quantities from active jobs or holds that you've manually added. We can see here, although the inventory does display that we have 5,000 square feet of this turf on hand, we do have an active job scheduled for today that will require 1,200 square feet. That is making our current inventory 3,800 feet. We can also look at the next day total. This will tell us that we do not have any jobs scheduled that is depleting the inventory for tomorrow. You can also look ahead by changing the date in the inventory tracker to see that there are no jobs here. If we create an active job in the system and schedule it for tomorrow, with this item, the quantity for tomorrow will be depleted. So let's go ahead and do that example. I will note that the inventory tracker will be operation specific. So because we are using the install operation, this will deplete from the inventory in the install operation only. We can add our square footage here. I'm actually going to go ahead and deplete above our inventory. And we'll go ahead and select Save and Close. This won't show up in the inventory tracker until a start date has been selected. So we'll go ahead and select the date for tomorrow and save. Now we can go back to the inventory tracker. And we can see on today for the inventory tracker that our next day total is now showing in the negative. So we need to go ahead and order more inventory of this item or change the scheduled date for the job tomorrow. If we flip ahead to tomorrow's date, this is where we can see that the 5,000 quantity is depleting the prior day's usage. And then we'll also show the job here. So you could go in and edit to reschedule if needed. You can also use the add hold functionality here if you know you need to hold aside some turf for potentially a customer pickup or something that isn't entered as a job. So if that ever needs to take place, you can go ahead and place a hold for the square footage needed. And that will be logged in the system and show who entered in the note. And this will also impact the quantity. Thank you so much.